So we traveled to La Union in the northern part of the Philippines. We are now here in Baluarte Tower. So it's an old tower in this place. You can see it from here. And it's facing the sea. The seashore is like with a lot of pebbles, so it's also like connected to Pebbles Beach. It's quite popular tourist attraction because as we arrive here, there's a lot of tourists already. So here is the front of the Baluarte Tower, and it's facing the sea. It's facing the South China Sea or the West Philippine Sea.
Yeah.
Now we go to the inside because you can go inside of the tower. So this is the entrance of the tower. It's just hollow in the inside. The gate is also a heart-shaped gate, and I think that is already an add-on from the tower, but it has also some locks. And previously this tower is full, but the thing is the waves hit the tower and it get destroyed. So they put some wave stopper like the wave wall on the front. So you see the Pebble Beach is like this beach. So all of them is, yeah, it's pebbles as its name says. Exactly opposite of Baluarte Tower, you will have this kind of restaurant, and the food prices is not that cheap and also is not that expensive. So estimate it will be per person you will spend at least 150 pesos for each meal. So we decided to eat here in this restaurant. Our next destination is Bahay na Bato. So it's literally a house of stones, or it's an art gallery, and the cost is
50 pesos each. For the 5 years old
and below. Yeah,
it's for free.
Okay, so let's go inside, and in the front you can see a giant turtle. So it says there Bato de Luna. So it's an art gallery here in Luna, La Union. We are about to enter the Bato de Luna. We thought this one is the Bahay na Bato, but unfortunately we didn't went to actual place for the Bahay na Bato, and it's just a few meters from here, exactly on Pebbles Beach. So it's worth it to visit in the next time that we are going to La Union. So you have this giant lock also here. It's a giant lock. So for sure, if this is the one that you use in your house, no one will attempt to break in. So according to here, the whole thing is created by Mr. Kim. It's Mr. Kim, not Kimi. Inside in the turtle, you will see this kind of it's a whale shark. You have some motorbike or a bicycle, and some artwork on the ceiling and also in the walls. You can also find these egg-shaped faces or egg-shaped heads. It's like a mini Easter Island. And you have this huge statue of a shoe that you can go inside. Yeah. Oh, there's also a turtle there. There's a frog, a lizard, and a shark. So now I'm surrounded by the statues in one of the section of the garden or the tourist attraction or tourist place. There is a lot of artworks here. Honestly, I'm not a fan of an art, and I don't have any talents for art, but it's a good detour, a little detour going to La Union, since you're already here, and it's not that, the area is not that big. You can go around maybe like 10-15 minutes. So that's it in our
Bahay na Bato.
yeah, Bahay de Bato. So next destination, we are going to
Kabsat.
Kabsat.
It means kapatid.
Okay, so let's go. We are about to enter the Almeida man-made forest, and we don't want to stop because it's just a common thing in the Philippines, but it's one of the tourist attractions here in also in La Union. We are here in San Juan, La Union, and we are renting the cottage here in Calapao. Which is according to Kim, it's going to be translated as Nipa hut in their language. So we are supposed to be going to Kabsat, which is right next to Calapao, but they don't offer some day tour cottages, so that's why we are booked to this Calapao to have this day tour. So that is the Calapao, and this is the beach already. It's very close. The sand is also fine, like in most of the beaches here in the Philippines, but it's not that as white as Boracay, which is, yeah, it's very common. And also this beach has strong waves, so unlike in Boracay that is very, very calm. Though it's a bit wavy, the water is not that deep, even if some few meters you go, but because of the waves it's a bit dangerous to go, especially if you don't know how to swim. So this is the Kabsat. So the Kabsat, Calapao, and also some places to rent some surfboard or some because this is also because the sea is a bit wavy, so they can do a bit of surfboarding activity. It's not that the wave is not that high. I don't know about the other times, or maybe it's because of the time of the day. Yeah, but It's also one of the most popular things to do here in San Juan, La Union. Nela! Nela! Woo! Woo! Nela!
Yan, yan! Woo! One, two,
Whenever you go visit the Kabsat and or Calapao or somewhere here in San Juan, La Union, as soon as you face the sea, on the right side there is a Mebuyan vessel, which is some artwork as well. So right now we are on the way to go there and see how beautiful is the artwork is. After around 10 minutes of walk from Kabsat and Calapao, you will see this Mebuyan's vessel. So you can take some pictures inside, and it's free. There is no entrance fee for that one so far. So as long as it's free, then you need to visit it. Here is the closer look of Mebuyan vessel. Yeah, it's a good art as well. To finish our journey, we are going to have a coffee on a Kabsat in the second floor.